Chuck, how are you?
Doing great. How are you?
I'm doing great. Mr. Chuck is Twiggy's dad. Yep. Oh, and I'm really excited to see the show tonight. Especially some of this awesome equipment that Twiggy gets to use. So we've got our boat, right?
Got our boat, jet propelled inside.
Wow. It's just like riding motor skis.
For sure. Yeah.
Oh, and so she's right here. And she holds on to the handlebars.
Yep.
Oh, that is great.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. So is it all set, or is there any work that we need to do?
So we got a little bit of maintenance.
Pretty cool.
Oh.
I've got some pliers.
Awesome.
Will that work?
Yeah, that will work.
Okay.
You just got to basically pull this off a little bit, and then maybe you can grab it there and pull it along and see your...
Right here. Want some fingers? Okay, and then we can pull up.
Yeah, I'll hold it straight.
Well, it's on there really good.
Yeah.
A little bit of precision to get this off. There it goes. Right hand.
Got it?
Yep. So we're just going to put it right here, right?
Yep, right on the end there.
Just like that.
Perfect.
Great.
Awesome.
So, yeah.
There you go.
Wow. And so this connects to the boat.
Yep, so we can go ahead and actually put it just like that there.
That's the rope. I love
And
this. Getting it right through there, right?
Yep.
Okay. Line that up. Go straight through.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Just like that. Oh, this is going to be great. Cannot wait to see Twiggy, the water skiing squirrel.
It's fine. And Hal, go ahead and get in the water. We're going to do a quick water skiing demonstration. Oh, you didn't come prepared. Dry land it is then. All right, here we go, Handyman Hal. So there's three things y'all saw Twiggy do it. Handyman Hal, are you ready? Are y'all ready? Alright, here we go, Handyman Hal. So step one when you water skiing, you gotta make sure you hold the pillow nice and tight with both hands. Okay, he even has his gloves on. He is ready, folks. Now, it's his first time. He's a little nervous. Give him a round of applause. Now, Handyman Hal, Twiggy's really good at this. Sometimes she'll even go one-handed. Perfect. And then sometimes she'll even put her feet up on the handlebars. Uh-oh. A foot. I said feet. Oh, there you go. Give her a round of applause. He's doing a good job. Now, Handyman Hal, step two when you water ski is you gotta make sure you stay balanced. Now, Twiggy has a tail. Do you have a tail? You do. Look at the hair. It's long enough. It looks like a... Yeah, there you go. Perfect. So you don't have a real tail, so you're gonna have to bend your knees. Go ahead, hold that tail up. Bend your knees. Now, Handyman Hal is doing a great job. The third and final step. What do you think that might be? Have fun. Stay up. Wear your safety hat sometimes, I guess. Or, as we say around here, you gotta keep your tail out of the water. There you go.
There you go.
Oh, there you go, Handyman. It's very important y'all wear a life jacket, just like Handyman Hal and Twiggy. And always, just make sure that when you're wearing a life jacket, that it fits properly. Handyman Hal, you've been having those wings over the hangout, haven't you? I know, I've had 2 servings already. Oh, they're amazing. But you do an amazing job. One more time to all your fans. Are you ready? He's still trying to put a life jacket on, folks. There we go. All right, so step one when you water ski, hold the pillow. Next, you gotta bend your knees. And then Handyman Hal, you always want to wave your fans, because they always wave. Handyman Hal, the third and final step was your tail out of the water. Give a round of applause, folks.
Wow, my friends, we've had such an awesome day today here at the Hangout.